Hello. There's three main stocks to buy in the month of January that if you want to make really good money and have nice returns on, I would definitely suggest in investing in Tesla. Their stock has went from just it was trading around 700 last month. Now it's all the way to 800 that quick, and it's going to continue to climb. It's not going to stop anytime soon. I mean, it already had to split once in the past year, and I'm sure it's going to do it again. So, my money is if you want a solid stock to invest in this month, or day trade, Tesla for sure. Elon Musk just became the richest man in the world with Tesla, going up to 800. So it's there's no telling where it's how high it's going to go. But one thing I can say for sure is all these new clean energy stocks are going to continue to increase in value. Also you look at ticker symbol PLUG. Plug. It's another clean energy stock, and it had a lot of good news coming out this week. So it's up to $54 a share. It had some good news about starting some more businesses, getting some new deals in South Korea, and it was up over 30% one day, and it continued to climb. So, it was trading at around $32, prior to all this new news coming out about its new business deals. But it was at 54, and, I don't see any reason it can't continue to go higher. Thirdly, probably my favorite stock is Mara, ticker symbol MARA. It has a lot to do with Bitcoin, and Bitcoin, as everyone knows, has went from 19,000 in December, and now it's at 40,000. And there's no telling how much higher it's going to go. Personally, I love the idea of basically just owning a little bit of Bitcoin, personally, I'd rather have my money in stocks to have something to do with Bitcoin, like Mara, for example. It was trading at around $5, I think, back in the summer, and I've watched this stock slowly, make a climb all the way up to where it's currently trading at around $26. It's made a move. It's doubled in value in like the past month, just because of when Bitcoins went up, so has Mara. There's a direct correlation between the two. And I personally will be day trading that stock next week. It's easy money. Personally, I'd like to buy in low at the lower end if I can catch it on a red day, or if I can catch it under $25, it's around 24, something like that. I'd love buying in. I'm gonna try my best to buy the shares at around $24.50 or something like that, because just if you catch it on a red day, you can buy it while it's down and make a quick profit the next day. It seems to be a consistent winner. It's been on my watch list, like I said, since the summer, and it's continued to perform. And mainly, it's a pretty easy stock to watch and know where it's going. If Bitcoin's going up, then Mara's price is going to reflect that. So as long as Bitcoin's a winner, so will Mara. And because y'all watch my channel and I really appreciate it, I'm gonna give you a bonus stock. ticker symbol BNGO. It's a stock I was in at $1, and I day traded it and made a quick profit. I wished I'd held on to them because that stock's up over 5, and it's a good stock to have. I mean, unfortunately, it was at 7, but they sold off some of their they diluted their shares, so the price went back down. It came back down. And personally, when it dips a little bit, if I can get it under $5, I'm gonna buy into. That's really where I'm looking to buy into. Ticker symbol BNGO at. It's got a lot of momentum. It's heavily traded. It's I think it had some 305 million shares traded, which is a lot of a ton of volatility. So so it can possibly just it can surge right up there to $10 at any time. I personally think that it's going to be something like Mara over time. It starts off small and work and maybe over the next 6 months, there's no telling. It could be doing it could be up to $25. It could go up an easy 500%. So there's a lot of upside with that with this particular stock. And then I'd like to talk about my day trades this past week. I day traded NIO, ticker symbol NIO, on Monday. They had a lot of news that came out last weekend, and I was able to I read about that, and I seen that all their numbers were up. Their sales were up, so I went ahead and made a quick. I think I bought them in pre-market at $53.09, and turned around and resold them at I think 50. I bought them at $50.09, and I sold them at $53.09. So I made a decent profit on that particular stock. That was Monday, and then I day traded LG HL. It was the big runner on percentage gainer on Friday, and I made another 4% on it. I think I made 4.83%. Basically, I did what I've talked to you all about doing in my other videos. I got up at 4:30 in the morning, seen where it was day trading at. It was at 4.75 that morning. I waited till 7 and tried to buy it. The price was too high, so I had to adjust my bid a little bit. And but basically, I seen like where the support was at, and I decided, I can make an easy 4 or 5% real quick, in 5 minutes of my time. So that was an easy win, and nice profits I made on Friday off of that. So just between those two stocks, I had a great week. I think I was up, my small brokerage account was up over 9.85% for the week. Could have made a lot more money, but I decided to take profits, and it was there. I decided to take it quickly, and just let my money keep compounding. Every I day trade every day. If you'd like to check me out on Twitter, you can find me at Josh Deloger03. And I put out a watch list every morning of 4 or 5 stocks that I'm watching the day trade, and you can make a quick 5 or 10% real easy any morning. Generally they're percentage gainers, or a lot of times there are other stocks that I watch, like from time to time, like this particular week I'll be watching plug, as well as Mara. Mara is probably my #1 stock to watch, as well as BNGO. I think it was up 8% on Friday. So anyways, I hope everyone had a very profitable week this past week, and I hope you have even better week, this week to come. Basically, if you have any questions or anything, feel free to ask me in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer you, and help you explain to the best of my ability. I really appreciate everyone watching my channels. If you like my video, please hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I really would like for y'all to follow me. I appreciate all the support. All right, well, I hope everyone has a great week. I'll make another video next week.